Customers is the CRM landing page, one paginated table of every repeat customer your shop has rung up, plus inline tools to add, edit, adjust loyalty points, or delete a profile. Click Customers under Sales in the sidebar to open the page. Each row is one customer. 6 sortable columns show name, contact, visits, total spent, loyalty points, and last visit. Tap any column header to sort. Type in the search box to find a customer by name, email, or phone. The match is case-insensitive and debounces for 0.6 of a second before requerying. Tap Filters to slice the list by points balance, visit count, total spend, contact info, or last visit date range. A badge counts how many filters are active. Tap Add Customer to open the new profile form. Name is required, every other field is optional. Most shops create customers at the POS instead. This dialog is for back-office cleanup. The 3-dot menu on each row opens Edit for contact info, Adjust Points for manual loyalty corrections, and Delete for a reversible soft delete. Heads up, viewing this page needs the View Customers permission, and adding, editing, deleting, or adjusting points needs Manage Customers. The default owner, admin, and manager roles hold both. Cashier doesn't, so cashiers attach customers at the POS but can't open this page. Grant the dashboard permissions in Roles and Permissions if a non-manager handles cleanup.